Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the case and earbuds have charge. This prevents power failures mid-setup. Once done, open the case lid slowly. Opening triggers the earbuds to wake. You remove both earbuds together to ensure simultaneous boot. This prevents left-right sync issues. Make sure the case is on a flat surface and that any protective film is removed. This avoids accidental button blockages. If LEDs are visible, note their color. They indicate battery and pairing. You press and hold the touch or physical sensor on each earbud for about 2 to 3 seconds. That's the action that actually powers them on. Once on, watch the LEDs. A white flashing light usually signals pairing mode, while a steady light means they connected. Then open Bluetooth on your phone or computer, scan, and select JBL Wave Flex from the list. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts. Otherwise, the earbuds revert to idle after a timeout. You finish by testing audio. Play a clip and confirm sound comes through the earbuds, adjusting volume on your device as needed. If you encounter issues, return both earbuds to the case for 5 seconds, then remove them to force a reboot. This often clears transient errors. For persistent pairing failures, place earbuds in the case and charge them for at least 30 minutes, then repeat the power on and pairing sequence. One key tip: a full charge solves most intermittent connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.